Hello everyone. So students, in this video we will understand chapter 5 exercise 5c. So here you will see how we can use the exponents in expressing the large numbers. Okay. So for that first we have to understand what is standard form. So what is the standard form, students? So whenever we write a number, suppose we write a number in the form of k into 10 to the power n. If we write a number in this form, then it will be called as a standard form. But where k should be greater than or equal to 1, it should be greater than or equal to 1, and it should be less than 10. That means this number k should be either it should be greater than or equal to 1, or it should be less than 10, and n should be a natural number. It should be a natural number. So let us take an example. Suppose if we take the example of speed of light. So what is the speed of light? Speed of light is, if we write in standard form, then we can write 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So now you can see here, this will be called as standard form. So here you can see that k is 3. So I told that standard form means it should be k into 10 to the power n. So here you see 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. So k is how much? 3. Now k should be greater than or equal to 1. So here it is greater than 1, that is 3. And it should be less than 10. That means this number should not be more than 10 and should not be less than 1. That means it should not be negative or in decimal. Clear, students? Okay. So now we will go to exercise 5c. So in question number 1 is saying express each of the following numbers in standard form. So bit 1 is 2946. So now we have to convert this into standard form. So let us see whether it is in standard form or not. So if you see, what is the standard form saying? That it should be in this form, that is exponent form, but here we have not written in this form. Okay, we have not written in this form. That means it is not a standard form. So now in standard form, what happened? This k should be between 1 to 10, but here you see it is 2946. That means we have to shift this decimal place to between 2 and 9. That means decimal place should shift 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So it should be in this way, that 2.946. Now since decimals has shifted to 3 places, so we have to multiply 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 7. So remember, whenever decimal shifts 3 place, we have to multiply 10 to the power 3. Not 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 3. Clear? So this is our standard form. This is our answer. Okay, students, let us solve bit 2. In bit 2 is given 392.46 into 10 to the power 5. So first check whether it is standard form or not. You see, in standard form this number k should be between 1 to 10, but here it is 392. So it is not a standard form. So we have to shift the decimal place 1 place, 2 place. So it should be 3.9246. So now when we shift 2 place, we have to multiply 10 to the power 2. Why we multiply 10 to the power 2? Because it is shifting 2 place. Here it was shifting 3 place, so you multiply by 10 to the power 3. So now it will become 3.9246 into 10 to the power. Now you see bases are equal and multiply is there, so power will get added, 5 plus 2. So 3.9246 into 10 to the power 7. This is our answer. Okay, now let us go to question number 2. Students, in question number 2 it's saying write each of the following numbers in usual form. Now what is usual form? That means just now I told we understood that how to convert a usual number into a standard form. That means here the question is given in standard form, we have to convert this into usual form. So how we can do this? Very simple. So here you see we have to multiply 10 to the power 4. So decimal will shift 4 times, 4 place. So it will become 37200. Why 00 are added? Because 2 places are there. But we need to shift the decimal 4 places. So 2 places were there, it shift. But after that there is no number, so we have given 0 and shifted the decimal. So now the decimal has been shifted to 4 places. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 place shift. So this is our usual form. Clear, students? And here if we solve, it will become 7 places. So what? It becomes 5, 2, 2, 9, 4. So you see already 4 places are there. So now 3 more places you have to shift. So 1, 2, 3. Decimal 0, 0. So you see decimal has places, 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Earlier it was here, but now the decimal is here. So this is our answer. Now let us go to question number 3. In question number 3, it is saying write each of the following numbers in expanded exponential form. So bit 1 is, it will be how much? 10,03,065. Sorry, it is not 10 lakh, it is actually 1 lakh. So how we will solve this? So first we will write, so what is expanded exponential form? So we have to expand it. Suppose you see 1. So after 1, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 1 into 10 to the power 5. That means 1 lakh. Plus 3000. So we will write 3 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3 places are there. So 10 to the power 3. Then 6 in 100 tens place. So we will write 6 to the power 10. Then 5 in unit place. So 5 to the power 1. 1 second, students. Sorry, it will be 6 into 10 to the power 2, because it is tens, hundreds places there. Then 5 into 10 to the power 0. Once again, let us understand clearly. 1 is in, what is the one's place value is lakh. So 1 into 10 to the power 5. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. So 1 into 10 to the power 5. Plus 3 into 10 to the power 3. Why 3? Because 3 is in 1000 place. So 1, 2, 3. 3 places are there. So 10 to the power 3. Now plus 6. 6 is in tens place. So 6 into 10 to the power 1. Because after 6 only one number is there. So 10 to the power 1. Now plus 5. So 5 is in unit place. So we will write 5 into 10 to the power 0. Why 10 to the power 0? Because after 5 there is no digit is there. So remember, students, after 1, how many digits are left? You have to multiply into 10 to the power that many digits. Okay, let me solve one more bit so that you will get a clear idea. We can solve bit 3. 1 0 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 4. So how we will write now? It's very simple. So we will write here. So 1 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we will write 10 to the power 9. Plus, you can give a bracket also here. So now 1 into 10 to the power 9 plus 2. After 2, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 10 to the power 6. Plus after 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 10 to the power 3. Now after 4, no number. So we will write 4 into 10 to the power 0. This will be our answer. Now let us go to question number 4. So students, question number 4, we have to do addition. So for addition, you see both these numbers are given in standard form. You see here it is 4, so that means between 1 and 10, and here it is 3, it is also 1 and between 1 and 10. So both these numbers are in standard form. Now how to do addition in standard form? Let us see. So first of all, we will take common this 10 to the power 4 from both the numbers. So from here also we will take common 10 to the power 4, and from here also we will take 10 to the power 4. So if you take 10 to the power 4 common, then what is remaining? So here it will remain only 4.52. Students, taking common means dividing. So if we divide this entire number by 10 to the power 4, so what will remain? Only 4.52 will remain. And here if we divide 10 to the power 4, what will remain? It will remain 10 to the power 3. Why? Because 7 minus 4 will be 3. We know that if we divide, then the power gets subtracted. So 7 minus 4 will becomes 3. So it will remain 10 to the power 3 will remain. So now we will multiply this 10 to the power 3 into this number. So now 10 to the power 4 into 4.52 plus, you see 10 to the power 3, if we multiply, decimal will shift 3 places. So 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So it will become 3793.8. 1, 2, 3 place it has shifted. Decimal has shifted. So 10 to the power 3 is multiplied here. Now we will add these two numbers. Okay. So we'll do it in a rough. 3793.80 and 4.52. 2. So 37 10 to the power 4 into 3798.32. So this is our answer. Okay. Now we have to convert this into again standard form. You see it is not in standard form. Why? Because here before the decimal, how many numbers are there? 4 are there, but it should have only one digit. So what will happen? Decimal should be shifted to how many place? 1, 2, 3 place. We have to shift the decimal. So what we will write? 3.79832 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 3. Once again, students, since we are shifting the decimal to 3 places, 1, 2, 3 places, therefore we will multiply by 10 to the power 3, and this 10 to the power 4 is just written here. So now you see this has become a standard form. 3.79832 into 10 to the power. Now 4 plus 3 will become 7. Why we are adding it? Because multiplication sign is there, and whenever there is multiplication sign, we apply the product law of exponent. 4 plus 3 is become 7. So student, this is our answer. Okay. So next let us see subtraction. So students, in question number 4 bit 2, we have to do subtraction, and the number is 3.69 into 10 to the power 9 minus 8.9271 into 10 to the power 4. So here also the numbers are given in standard form. So first step, what you have to do? We have to take 10 to the power 4 common from both. Students, taking common means we have to divide from both these numbers. So 3.69 into 10 to the power 9, if we divide 10 to the power 9 by 10 to the power 4, so 9 minus 4 will remain how much? It will remain 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So we have written 10 to the power 5 minus 8.9271. Now 10 to the power 4 by 10 to the power 4. So which is 1. So we multiplied. It is removed. So now 10 to the power 4 will multiply this 10 to the power 5 into this number. Means we will convert this into usual form. This one. So decimal place will shift 5 place. So we have to write in this way that 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. You see, decimal place have to shift 3 places, 5 places. So already 2 places are there, more 3 places are required. So I have given 3 zeros, and then I have shifted the decimal. So decimal shifted from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places it has shifted. Why 5 places? Because we have multiplied by 10 to the power 5 minus 8.9271 9271. So now we'll do the subtraction part here. So 369, but here you see after the decimal 4 places are there, so we should also have here 4 places. So we'll do it here. Minus 8.9271, so 8.9271. The students, did you understand? While doing subtraction or addition, their decimal places should be same. So here you see 4 decimal places are there. So since it is having 4 decimal places, so it should also have 4 decimal places. So you've given 4 zeros after the decimal. So now 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 9 0. Then 9 minus 8 1. Okay, then 9, and here also 9, and here it becomes 8 because from here 1 was carried. Now 3 6. So what is our value? We got 10 to the power 4 into 36891.0729. Correct? Now students, we have to convert this into standard form. So to convert this into standard form, what we will do? First we have to shift the decimal from here to here. That means 1 2 3 4 5 place. We have to shift to 5 place. So 3.689910729 into 10 to the power, how many place? 5 place we have to shift. So 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 4. This 10 to the power 4 we have written here, and since we have shifted 1 2 3 4 5 place, so we have multiplied by 10 to the power 5. So our final answer is 3.689910729 into 10 to the power 9. This is our answer. And student, this is the rough part. Okay, so I hope you understood this exercise and you can complete this one. So here we have completed this exercise 5C, and also we have completed this chapter. We'll go to the next chapter in the next video. Okay students, bye bye. Now students, if you find this video helpful, then like the video, share my YouTube channel with your friends, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel, and surely press the bell button so that you get the notification whenever a new video is updated. Okay students, bye bye.